Hello everyone and welcome to another phonics video. Today's sound is going to be the k sound. K, 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 k. Very good. Now this is not our curly k, it's not our kicking k, it is our tick-tock clock k. So this means that this is our special friends k. So we have got two letters and they make one sound. That means they are special friends. And this is the k sound. So we have the letter C and the letter K. Let's Fred talk some words with the k sound. P-I-K, pick. Snack, snack. Rock, rock. Very good. So we've got k and we've got tick-tock clock. Let's see. Tick-tock clock. Fantastic. Okay, I'm going to pop it into the pack of sounds we already know. When you see it, you have to point to it and say, found you. Aya. Ooh. Ear. A. Oi. O. Found you. What's our special friend sound? That's right. K. O. A. Your. E. A. I. Ooh, ow, O, E, Aya. Found you. What is our special friend sound? All right, let's see if you can do it one more time, but this time I'm not going to help you, okay? We're going to do it super speedy. Let me shuffle them up. What is our special friend sound? K. That is right. Very good. Okay, let's have a go at reading some words with that k sound in it. So we are going to find the special friends. We're going to Fred in our head and then we're going to read the word. So special friends, Fred in our head. Read the word. Back. Special friends, Fred in our head. Read the word. Special friends, Fred in our head. Read the word. Clock. Special friends, Fred in our head. Read the word. Duck. Well done everyone. Very good work. Okay, now we're going to do the same with some alien words. All right, let's have a look. Can you spot the special friends? A, very good. Let's Fred in our head. Read the word. Plaif. Plaif, that's a funny word, isn't it? What about this one? What's the special friends? Ooh, that's right. Fred in our head. Through. Very good. All right, special friends. That's right, there's two, air and ng. So we've got g, air, ng, gerng, gerng, gerng. What a lot of nonsense those words were. So funny. Okay, now we're going to do some red words. Let's see if we can do them super speedy. Want, do, we, small, all, who, come, go, she, her, so, me, ball, 1, buy, and B. Well done, everyone. Super speedy work. All right, now it is time for us to write our sentence. So our sentence today is going to be, the duck had a snack on a rock. The duck had a snack on a rock. The duck had a snack on a rock. How many words do I have? 8. That's right. Let's clap it together. The duck had a snack on a rock. A little bit faster. The duck had a snack on a rock. The duck had a snack on a rock. Tell your grown up. Okay, now tell me. Excellent work. All right, let's have a go at writing it together, shall we? So, the duck had a snack on a rock. So, we need to start with a capital letter. And our first word is the, so that means our capital letter will be a T. We also need finger spaces in between each word. We also need what at the end? A full stop, that's right. And what is our special friend sound today? Very good. Okay, the duck had a snack on a rock. The, one of our tricky words. But it's not tricky anymore because we all know how to spell it. The duck. D-U-C-K. The duck had a snack. Snack. The duck had a snack on a rock. Rock. And I need a full stop at the end. That is right. Let's read it again. The duck had a snack on a rock. Do I have my capital letter? I do. Do I have finger spaces? I do. Do I have a full stop at the end? Very good. And did I use my special friend sound? I sure did. All right, take a picture of it. Going to rub it out. All right, now it is your turn to write the sentence. The duck had a snack on a rock. Once you've done that, make sure you get your grown-up to check it for you and then take a picture to send to me on Dojo. Thanks for watching.